Hi guys, bring those feet wide. Let's start with rolling those shoulders to the back, to the back. We got a little quick 7-minute cardio burst to get that body nice and warm. Elevate that heart rate. Good. Little change right here. You're gonna push up and back, up and down. So you're creating those little V's. Energy out your fingertips. Reach and drop. Good. Last set. Let's hold it at the top. Reach right, left, left. Pulling that elbow into the side every single time. Give me 8. Woo! Reach a little higher. We have 4, 3, 2. We're gonna take a little bend in the knees. Go down, tap, down, tap. Just finding that little weight shift side to side, down, tap. Woo! Stay here, 4 more. Now we're gonna add a little heel kick. So you're gonna drop, lift, lift. Maybe add a little arm pull at the top. Slowly getting that heart rate higher and higher. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna press across. Go step, press, press. Energy out those fingers. Finding that twist in your torso. Activating our obliques. Full body work here. Woo. Good, now we're gonna take that arm a little higher. Big toss, toss. Down and up, down and up. Are you breathing? Woo. So good. Stay here, we got 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Let's roll the booty right here. Woo. You got it. For 4, 3, reverse those hips. Take it out and out. Feel your breath. We're gonna take a little travel step to the right here. Go step, cut, step, step, cut, step. Little grapevine. So just get us moving. Let's add some arms. Go out, in, out, out, in, out. Yes, activating the chest. Elevating that heart rate again. Last set. Keep that upper body going. Little slide, out, out. Woo! That's it, y'all. Stay here for 4, for 3, 2. You got it. Last one. Hold it here. Little pull and pull. Little crunch and crunch. Strong exhale. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! And release it down. Good work, you guys. Shake it out. We're gonna hit it a little harder for this song. So we're gonna start with 4 little booty kicks and then a big squat. So you're gonna kick the booty, you're gonna drop it low. Kick your booty, drop it low. Now if you don't wanna jump today, totally fine. You can just take 2 taps and then squat to lift. Or you take the energy a little bit, drop it low. Booty kick, drop it low. 2 more. Whew. Last one here. Hold it low, hold. We're gonna slide right in, reach the arms, drop, left, in, reach, drop, out, in, reach. One more time right here. You got it. Woo! Here we're gonna toss the arms, up, down, booty goes up. Roll it 2 times. Up, down, up. Roll it 2 times. Up, down, up. Hey, hey. Woo! Good. Option to take that jump if it feels good. Up, booty, roll, and roll. Last 2. Woo! Last one right here. You got it, y'all. Good. Breathe. Step tap with me. Catch your breath. We're here for 4, for 3. We're going back into those booty kicks. You ready? 4 kicks. Here we go. Kick it up. Get low. Pick it up. Again, drop low and up. We have 2 more sets, that's it. Down. Last one. Woo, hold it low. Freeze, right foot. Out. In. Reach higher, drop lower. Left. In. Reach. Take it to the right. And reach. Last time. Woo! Good. Toss it up right here, go top. Booty roll, 2 times. Let's go, let's go. Up, roll, hey, hey. Woo! That jump is optional. You can stay on the ground and still find those levels. Keep it going. 4, 3. We're so close, y'all. Finish proud. 2. Yes, good, last one. Woo! Let's kick the booty to finish. Booty kick, drop it low. Booty kick, down, up, hey, 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 hey. We're gonna stay here. 4 more, let's go. Really get that heart rate up. Whew, you should feel that warmth in the body. Last 2. Last one. Holding it low, freeze, right foot. Out, in, reach, and drop. Out, in, reach. One more time, each way. Out, in, reach, and drop. Last one. Woo! Good. Hold it here, little step tap, right, left. Yes. So good, so strong. We've made it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet come in, big inhale up. Exhale, let it go. Give those shoulders a big roll. Give yourself a round of applause. If you liked the video, let me know in those comments below. If you want to support my channel, I have a couple links in the description. Click those and help me continue to create content like this. We'll see you back on the dance floor soon.